Okay, we should be live on YouTube. Let me start the Twitter stream. I also want to do Twitch stream, but I don't know what will happen. Let me check something. Yes, Twitter stream is up, YouTube stream is up, and I want to check something. I am planning to. Damn. I wanted to do like the. What is this? The streams, currently streams are like for 1080, and I'm getting new PC in few months. Uh, so I wanted to push it to like 4K. So I was trying to calculate how much bandwidth it will take, and it's saying currently it takes like 10 Mbps for both. So it eats 20 Mbps of the bandwidth. I have 100 Mbps. If I do 4K at 60 FPS, it's like for 40 to 50 Mbps per stream. Maybe I have to use some paid service for that then. I guess there is like StreamYard, right? StreamYards. Pricing. Okay. StreamYard. Not blog. Don't they have like straightforward pricing? Okay, I guess they don't consider having simple pricing page. Let's see. 25 bucks per month. Okay, that's ridiculous. StreamYard alternatives. Restream, Riverside, OBS, Streamlabs. Okay, I guess this was the one I saw. Do they have like a ultra? Yes. And again, what's up with these companies and not having pricing on first page? Yeah, Streamlab starter. Do they restrict to destinations? Okay, so I have to spend like 200 bucks per year on this. And even in ultra, I guess they have pro. Am I right or no? Yes, I guess I'm right. Without ultra, okay, can you just see multi-stream? Streamlabs console. I don't want ultra, like there is nothing else. Console, let's check. Oh, is it for Xbox? Okay, that's not useful. Streamlabs culture, no. Okay, anyway, so that's what I was trying to check, and that's ridiculous. It's gonna take a lot of bandwidth. I may have to like change my plan, ISP plan, or internet plan to get like higher bandwidth. Okay, what's Twitter live now? Okay, so yesterday we were doing this, right? We got issue when doing the second deposit because our contract didn't delegate, but we were trying to fetch it. So what I did was I just did this. We're gonna check if any of these are true, then return true. If both are false, then only return false. And we are trying to do something else today, like use AND operator, but that was not the case. We wanted to use OR operator, and yeah, that worked perfectly. I changed this. I just noted this down for today's stream. Like I have to explain this. Now staked will be true if it's false and total supply is equal to false, then only return one, otherwise check for it. Now in this part, in the second in the script, we are doing first deposit. Yesterday it was working. Today it's also working, so don't worry about it. I want to say wait. Yesterday, like a dumbass, I was trying to use this delay instead of just using dot wait operation, and it works. I don't know why I forgot, but on live stream most of the time I act like a dumbass, so maybe that's why. But anyway, we have this, and we want in the second part we wanted to check if it works. Second deposit works and we don't get any error. We were not getting any error. Then we have this total supply. We were checking, it will be 0.002 because we are depositing twice, but NOR stake is still set to true, so we won't get any error. Now we are checking balance of staked say. No, checking balance of the signer, it will be same 0.002, and formatting that balance, that's okay. Now we are setting the bot and doing the delegate function text. Yeah, setting the bot for the signer address. So signer is the bot, and then delegate function takes two arguments, one to total supply and array of validators and array of amounts to be delegated. We don't have, like, right now we are just delegating to single validator, but you remember we, like, what is this, we commented it out and just changed the logic for, because we were getting an error, that's why we changed the logic. But now that shouldn't be the case, so afterwards we are gonna remove this part, the second one, and we're gonna uncomment this and try to check if we get any error or no, error or not. So I'm gonna run it. I already know, you can see here everything is correct. We'll check on say trace. Hopefully there is no, yes, there is an error. I still haven't asked the team like what this error is, but it's not in our code. It just somewhere along the line it just happens. Okay, so everything is correct. Now what we want to check is the LST. So this is the contract, and then that's the token contract, and this is the staking contract. We have balance that we were expecting, and holders is our signer. Then we have this, but you see there is no say balance because we actually staked it. That's why we don't have any say balance. And for some reason there is no, yeah, I was saying there is no way to figure out staked amount of an address on say trace. I don't know why, but we can go to say explorer, like there is another one, say scan, yes. We can copy the say address. So this is our EVM contract address and the say native address of that contract account. Okay, close Pacific testnet, and then we can search for this. We have this, and you see we have total bonded, it's in dollars, but if we see delegation, you can view the value in say, in terms of say, instead of dollars. So we have staked 0.2. That's great. Now what we are going to do is we are going to remove this part. Go at the top. Where is error? Okay. We also uncommented the comment. We don't need this. We are trying to do some dumb stuff. Okay, so let's figure out what we are doing actually here. What we are actually doing here. Rewards. Okay, we also don't need this. This is dumb. We need to say add. No, for staking, what we did, staking contract. So we do have distribution contract. Let's go at the top. Yeah, distribution contract is a dot rewards. Let me check what rewards delegator address, and it returns rewards. Okay, so delegator address and address dot this, done. We get rewards length, validator count, and rewards validator address. We get delegation address dot this. Total delegation is just addition of all of those things, all of the amounts. Where is the total delegation? Okay, we have defined it here, and at the end we don't need anything else. Let's try to deploy this contract and let's see if that works. If that works, we are gonna come back to local and see why this thing is not working, because we were getting a lot of errors, right, when testing. Okay, we need to do third deposit. At that point we'll okay, ignore that. So we have done the delegation. Set delegation bot delegate all deposited tokens third deposit, and we have third. After we have third deposit, we'll know if that change that we did is correct or not, or do we get an error, which we should have done on local network, but we are getting some error. Okay, now's the time. Let's see. Do we get an error? Yes, we do. Send transaction, contract address, cumulative gas 0 from. Okay, let's see if we can see the actual error. If we can see that in the call, we'll know what went wrong. Yes. Okay, call state say wrong. Okay, so we know this went wrong. Not the best idea that I have, but what if we do this like event before reward query after reward query delegation delegated amount will say string validator comma un256 amount. Okay, emit before. Okay, oh, okay, let's not make it an emit. Let's not make it an view function, a view function. Emit after query. Now we need to go here, emit delegated amount query will say amount and address. Okay, so this is also not a view function. Now where do we have error? This is also not a view function. Okay, for now that's okay. I guess. Who knows? That's why like I need to figure out what's happening on local, and there is no good way to debug it also. I want to debug on locally, but local debugging is not that great on C in the sense on the local network. Okay, let's get the error. Liquid staking contract. Okay, how many logs do we get? We don't get any logs. Why? Rewards. This should we have another script where we just like query the rewards for the contract and see what we get? I don't know if you guys are commenting or not, so I am assuming you are saying yes. So let's write another let's write another script. uh, Another script that just queries the rewards. Cut this. Let's keep that here. Remove this function and put this in if test. I'm saying const test equal to false. Again, we are just doing first part that we not first part, first trick we did. If that's false, we are gonna execute. We will execute this. Else, where is delegation? Delegation staking. Okay, let me copy this. Where is I staking? I distribution, I staking. Okay, and I distr distr. Okay, there. We want to check this part, right? We are still on that, so don't forget it. Okay, let's do this. We have the provider. And we can do try catch for this. Okay, let's see if that works and we get any output. No. Where did we use import? Oh, sorry. Cut. Okay, let's try to use that. Where do we get the error? To line 2. And why are we getting that error? Just a second. Okay, what is ES next? Let's try to run it. Probably get same error. And if you use this, it's gonna say module something something. Okay, there is no good way. It has like a env file. Okay, that's ridiculous. Okay, this is suggesting something that I don't want to do. Okay, that's not .env problem. So what is the issue? We still have it, yes, but does it run? Does our code run? Okay. Do we still have same error? Okay, no, now there is no error, but it still sees same thing. Okay, anyway, what we will do is we'll cut this, we'll put it here, then okay, ignore this part. If test const test equal to false, now we want that part. HRE dot ethos, and then we have try catch. How? Okay, we want to send signer, signer, signer. Bad data. Okay, could not decode the result. Rewards, we have this. So that's not our problem, like everything is correct. Okay, let me go here. Artifacts, contracts, artifact, source, source, interfaces, pre-compiles, idistr dot sol, then slash idistr dot json, and we are gonna say contract json dot abi, Hopefully this is correct. If that's not correct, then okay, we should import. Okay, no. We need to say equal to ethers dot rt. Where is this? Dot no hre dot artifacts dot get artifact. No, get artifact paths. It says build info. Okay, let me at least console. I know we are gonna get an error. I just want to see paths. That's it. Format JSON. Okay, let's just read it. Don't worry about it. We'll figure out. Fs dot read. Anyway, we have this, but we need to go dot dot like one level up. There is no such file. So if we go one level up, console.log pwd. Oh no, it does from hard hat, right? Okay, everything is correct. Now what we'll do is we are gonna read from liquid staking contract. Okay, let's read that and see. We have that correct. The output rewards has two arrays, this one and this one. One is rewards, one is total. So total we have staked this, and in rewards we have single reward. That's good. We get the validator address. Then we have coins and amount. Can we do Okay, we can read this. I don't understand this part. Let's check. Let's at least check if we are getting the correct balance. Oh no. Give me a second. Okay, so we figured out. I still don't get why we are fetching. Oh no, no, no. We are not. We are console logging the address, but we are not actually fetching it. We have this. Now let's copy and go here. Search. Let's see. Total delegation info. Oh, it's talking about rewards. So this part. Sorry. But it's returning everything correctly. And what's up with what's happening in the contract and why we are getting the error? That I don't know. Because there should be some way that we can figure that out. Like on chain, we tried to get logs, but that didn't work. And probably we can't see the trace anywhere. So we already know these. Should we try to call get exchange rate and see if we get it? Okay, now we need to change this to liquid staking. Remove this part. LIQU liquid staking dot soul and liquid staking dot json. Contract address is this one. Liquid staking ABI. Copy here, copy, it will go here. Now instead of rewards, let's remove all of this. We are going to say const exchange rate equal to, okay, we need to change the name also, liquid staking contract. Now we'll say await dot get exchange rate and console log that. LST exchange rate as exchange rate. Okay, object. Now why are we getting object? Isn't that just a number? Console.log. I'm pretty sure we are getting an error. That's why it says object. Oh, it's not. Okay, let's try exchange rate dot wait. Const. Sorry about that. I completely forgot it was not a view function. Okay, so what we have to do is make this view view. Okay, ignore this. It's just a warning for now, and we don't really care about it. We just want to see what's happening. Now we are getting an error that we know. Yes. Okay, let's see. Why do we get okay, we didn't change that to view function. Anyway, okay, if people are watching on Twitter, hi everyone. I hope you are enjoying my mistakes, but if not, say hi. What do we get? Why why do we still get 1? We shouldn't get that, right? Because if we check the contract address, it will have some staked value. Let's see if we get. Okay, we can't. We need to find it first, then copy the C address and then go there. That works. EB, that's 2 logs. What logs are those? Role granted. Okay, that's good. Creation 1 2, coin transfer 1 2, coin transfer which failed. So did actually transfer happen? Oh no. Value, transaction fee, details. We call this, which is deposit. Okay, it's deposit. That's good. Then why do we have, say, whatever the name is, say VKT Okay, the part I don't understand. No. This is correct. Now we have the deposited. It shouldn't say 1. It give me an error, man. It should be an error. Return. Oh, okay. Sorry. I guess we don't have enough time now. We'll resolve this tomorrow. We know one version of our contract works with single validator. Everything works. Delegation, deposits, those functions. But with multiple validators, what we have, the function we have, it's not working correctly, and that's what we are trying to figure out how to get it. And I'm assuming that also works perfectly, but there is an error at one point somewhere, but I don't know where. That's what we need to figure out in tomorrow's stream. Okay. Lastly, if you're watching on Twitter, please do give me a follow and like the stream. If you're watching on Twitter, subscribe to channel and like the video. Go on both of those platforms, every one of you, and do those things. Okay, that's a wrap for today. See you guys tomorrow, same time, and have a nice day. Bye.